Jungle.
So today's small project consists of replacing a turn signal switch in this 2009 Chevy Cobalt, which is a common issue with these vehicles. For whatever reason, if you hit them hard enough, they will crack, just like this one. Located just underneath the switch are 3 fasteners that you'll need a 7mm socket for removal. Push the lever that lowers the steering wheel all the way down and this bottom piece can be removed. You don't have to completely remove the top piece, just lift up on it and put something there to keep it out of the way. And now we have access to our 2 connectors on the turn signal switch. For removal, you'll need to lift up on this tab and pull outward. The top piece has a small button on the side that you press in and pull outward. The switch is only held in place by 2 retaining tabs. There's one at the top and there's one on the bottom. I'm using a screwdriver to press up on the bottom one and down on the top one. And that's why we had to remove this knob by pulling it straight back, and I'm using a pry tool to remove this plastic trim piece that's held in place with 2 clips. I ordered the AC Delco direct replacement part for this vehicle, and as with anything, you want to check and make sure you have the correct part. Installation is reversal removal. Baby, baby, baby.
You know what time it is. Radio.